Mastering metal detectors in food manufacturing. Let's learn how to use a metal detector in food manufacturing, including monitoring, verification, and validation. Step 1. Setup and calibration. First, let's set up and calibrate the metal detector. Place it in a location where all products pass through it. Turn on the machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions to calibrate it, ensuring it can detect different types of metals, like ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel. Step 2. Testing the detector. Next, we need to test the detector with test pieces. Use certified test pieces that contain known amounts of metal. Pass them through the detector to ensure it can accurately identify them. Adjust the sensitivity settings if necessary. Step 3. Daily monitoring. Once your metal detector is set up, it's essential to monitor it daily. Perform these tests at the start of each shift and after any significant change in the production process. Document the results and take corrective actions if the detector fails any tests. Step 4. Conducting verification. Verification is crucial. This means that we regularly monitor metal detectors to make sure that our staff are conducting proper monitoring. Ensuring all the records are properly completed and no deviation occurs. All deviations are properly closed. Step 5. Performing validation. Validation is the process of proving that your metal detection system is effective over time. Conduct validation tests periodically using real products. This helps to confirm that the detector can consistently find metal contaminants based on the lowest parameters we can apply on the metal detector, without falsely rejecting the products. Step 6. Recording and documentation. Keep detailed records of all monitoring, verification, and validation activities. Document each test, including the date, time, test piece used, and the results. This documentation is essential for audits and demonstrating compliance with food safety standards. Step 7. Training and awareness. Ensure all staff members are trained on how to use the metal detector correctly. They should know how to perform daily checks, conduct verification tests, and record the results. Regular training sessions can help maintain high standards of food safety. Step 8. Troubleshooting. If your metal detector is giving false positives or missing contaminants, check the machine for any issues. Clean the detector, recalibrate it, and ensure that environmental factors, such as electrical interference, are minimized. Using a metal detector effectively is crucial for ensuring the safety and quality of your food products. By monitoring, verifying, and validating your metal detection system, you can prevent metal contamination and protect your customers. Follow for more tips and tutorials on food manufacturing processes. Let's help you with your food safety program and education.